This wig is so freaking fire straight out the box.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
I know how I've said a million times, I love this wig, I love this wig, but this one, honey, if you love body wave type of vibe, the hair is already curled for you and it comes layered with these gorgeous curtain bangs, you need this wig in your life, okay? When I tell you this frontal wig is ready to install and wear straight out the box, baby, it is. You literally don't need to do anything to it other than spray it down, glue it down, cut that excess lace off, and it's already styled like this for you. I recurled just the top here, but you didn't even have to do all that, okay? I'm feeling like a whole movie star with this dang wig on, okay? Like, I'm ready to go somewhere. It's Memorial Day weekend, and I didn't have any plans to go anywhere, but like, I'm ready to go out. Yeah, you know when you like just put on a wig and you feeling like that girl? I'm feeling like that girl right now, like for real, for real. This outfit, this hair, this makeup, everything combined is just a whole freaking look. You can't tell me otherwise because I'm feeling myself, okay? And not to mention, your girl is a whole fiance in these streets. I said yes. I just have been feeling super creative and like, just like in a whole like new world right now. I don't know. So this wig is 180% density, y'all. This wig is from Geeta Hair. I want to thank Geeta Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box for you guys in case you're interested in checking this wig out. This is one of my favorite wigs straight out of the box to date. So if you're on the hunt for a frontal wig that you can wear straight out of the box, like it's already styled, already layered for you, this is the wig for you, okay? We're gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing of this wig. I'm gonna share all the details on it. We're gonna install this bad boy and everything. So if you're interested in checking out this wig install, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
So I went ahead and did my makeup. I did film a real-time tutorial on this look right here. It's not sped up. Nothing is cut out. I literally show you from start to finish how I do this full face right here. Flawless, looks good for events, looks good for photos, everything. So if you're interested in that, I will leave a link down below for you guys. You can purchase it on my website. This is perfect for those of you who watch my Get Ready With Me videos or my makeup tutorials and you're like, I need something a little bit more in depth. I need to see all of the steps. I literally share all the steps, every single product, every single brush, literally every technique that I use to do a full face of makeup. Every time I do my makeup, I shared that in this tutorial. So I've never done something like this. I hope that y'all enjoy it. So let's go ahead and see what this wig is looking like now. Since I have completed my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and take this clip out. As you can see, the hair already came curled, so I don't think I'm gonna have to curl this wig, but we shall see. I'm gonna go ahead and take out these clips here as well. The only thing that I did that y'all didn't see is I did go ahead and add baby hairs here and here. The lace looks really nice and natural on this wig, y'all. So before we check the curls on this wig, I'm gonna go ahead and do a middle parting with this wig. I usually like a side parting with this type of wig, but because it has these curtain bangs, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a middle parting. I think that's gonna look best for this particular style, so y'all can really see what this wig looks like if you're interested in purchasing it. I'm gonna take my Kiss Colors and Care Edge Fixer. This is a wax stick, and I'm going to apply this around the parting area. This is gonna help slick down any flyaways and just to get this parting area nice and flat the way that I like it. Then I'm gonna take my Fantasia Super Hold Spritz Hairspray and go around that parting area as well. Take my Infinity Pro hot comb, and we're just gonna use that to comb down this area. It's definitely gonna sizzle, but that's okay. It's gonna give us a super flawless install. And then I like to use the back of the hot comb as well, just to get it super flat. So let's go ahead and see what these curls are looking like, y'all, because they look really pretty as is. I'm gonna go ahead and use this wide tooth comb just to comb these curls out. That's really pretty. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. I'm gonna take my hot comb just a little bit to comb this back. So y'all know I've tried out a lot of wigs that already come pre-curled and pre-cut, and although they typically look really nice, the curls never look like the way it would look when I curl my hair, but this wig literally looks how I would have curled it. Like, I'm not mad at it at all. Like, I could literally rock this hair just like this. The perfectionist in me wants to go ahead and just curl this front piece a little more just to get it super like boom in the front. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and curl just these top pieces right here just to refresh the curls a little bit, y'all. This isn't a must like I mentioned, but I just want to do this. I actually forgot to turn it on, so I'm gonna have to wait for this to heat up and I'll be right back. In the meantime, while we're waiting for that to heat up, I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer in my parting area just to make this look a little bit more defined. So now that the curling iron has warmed up, let's go ahead and curl this hair. Like I said, I think this is a 1.5 inch, and I'm just going to curl on the outside of the barrel away from my face. So I'm using it like it's a wand curler. It's not. This is what I like to do quite a bit. I'm gonna take it in my hand, hold it there. I'm also gonna spray it with a little bit of hairspray. Just to lock it in place. Okay, let's go ahead and let that go. And then let's do the same on this side as well. I'm gonna take my Hot Tools curling iron and just go over the top to flatten it out. And then I'm gonna take the hair away from my face, just like this. So I'm gonna spray it with hairspray. Let this set for a second. Let it cool. And then let go. There we go. Then I'm gonna take the wide tooth comb and we're gonna comb this baby out because the waves are pretty loose, so we don't want them super defined. So don't let it sit for too long. Now it looks like I literally took the time to curl this whole thing. You need this wig in your life. Like, stop playing. And I didn't have to curl it all. I literally just did this top part just to like give it that extra zzz. I think this is my favorite wig, like straight out the box, baby. And she is 28 inches long. She is doing it for me. I'm feeling cute, okay? This wig install turned out so freaking cute. I am very, very happy with this wig. If you have not already checked out Geeta Hair, make sure you go check the description box down below for that link. You do not want to miss out on this beauty right here. She is so freaking cute. I want to thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. If you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me, what are you doing? Go ahead, click the box right here and keep the party going, baby. I got plenty more content for y'all.